Product 101 is brought to you by Beamer. Check it out at getbeamer.com. Today's episode, the best SaaS release notes and changelog examples. Changelogs and release notes are now a commonplace part of SaaS for both users and developers. They're not settling for a one-and-done solution anymore. Changes, developments, new integrations, swift fixes, and updates are an integral part of your product experience and customer service. Without these, you can bet your customers will start looking for alternatives. While your team is working hard to make sure that your product is consistently improving, pivoting with market changes, and meeting customers' expectations, it's vital that you keep your users in the know and aware of the improvements that your team is making to your product. So, what are the best ways for SaaS companies to communicate product changes and updates? Well, here are some great SaaS changelog and release notes examples from leading tech and software companies. Case 1. Intercom. Intercom crafts their changelog and release notes so that they're intentionally clean, simple, and condensed. They have a What's New page on their main site, inviting users to scroll through all sorts of recent updates to see what the Intercom team has been hard at work on. Taking their user engagement a step further, users can actually leave reactions and comments to specific updates made by Intercom, just like a social feed. Intercom can then take a look at that data on user reactions and open rates to better understand how users feel about specific changes. Instead of just describing the product change, Intercom's changelog focuses on how it will impact end users and optimize their daily work. Intercom introduces the benefit and then gives you more details with a read more option for those users who want to check out more information on that specific improvement. This is a great way to keep the changelog announcements short, sweet, and actionable, while still ensuring that interested users have all the details easily available. Case 2. Mailchimp. Mailchimp also has a section on their site accessible to existing users called What's New. Mailchimp organizes their product updates in a clean, polished, and visually engaging style that's friendly for any rookie or veteran user to explore. They have a main update at the top of their page that's highly visually engaging. Psst, remember that lesson from episode 2? This visual is accompanied by a short description and a CTA guiding users to navigate to the full update post for more information. It's not overwhelming while still being intriguing. Below the latest update, Mailchimp breaks the rest into chronological order, allowing users to also jump down through what's an incredibly simple navigation tool, making it more manageable. The updates are short, with actionable titles that get straight to the point. For example, instead of update to domains, they'll say, hey, we'll help you find the right custom domain for your business. The value is communicated right away and upfront. Case 3. HubSpot. HubSpot takes a little bit of a different approach than Intercom and Mailchimp, utilizing both a chronological flow and segmentation by product to make navigation even easier. Through this approach, users don't have to scroll through updates to find what they're looking for. There's a navigation box that breaks updates down by product, and then a step further by feature updates and all updates. This is great because typically a lot of users who are looking at a changelog are hunting for new feature updates instead of, say, API updates or bug fixes, which are usually of interest to developers. Because the vast majority of HubSpot users are end users in marketing and sales positions, they focus on new features. HubSpot's updates are short and to the point. There's no unneeded extra paragraphs of fluff here. They're less than 1 page in length and really rely on those visual elements to get the point across. Remember, your changelog is not your blog. It should be to the point and how your product is better. The question of usefulness of SaaS companies having a changelog actually isn't a question. It is a must. But there are different strategies to tackle that challenge. Regardless of the model you choose, if you like Intercoms, Mailchimps, HubSpots, or an entirely different one, there are valuable lessons and takeaways from each. If you want to learn more about how to improve your changelog game, watch our previous episode, How to Implement an Effective Changelog for Your SaaS. I'll see you there. If you're looking for a changelog, then Beamer is the product you're looking for. Beamer is a no-code changelog that embeds directly into your app or site. It lets you share beautiful, engaging updates, track your audience, and curate your content by user interests, membership status, and even in their own language. Beamer has an entire easy-to-use suite of tools that includes publishing, analytics, feedback, and all sorts of notifications both inside and outside your app. You can implement all the previously mentioned tips with a single tool like Beamer. To create an engaging changelog for your SaaS, sign up for Beamer today at getbeamer.com. You can also take a look at the blog, where you'll find lots of articles about product marketing and the SaaS industry in general. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It really helps. This has been Product 101. We'll meet again soon. Ciao!